RV enthusiasts. Are you enjoying your life in your RV? But with all this fall heading our way, are you feeling a little bit overwhelmed by all the maintenance tasks ahead of you? Well, today we're going to focus on a key area that often gets overlooked, and that's your gutters. Did you know that maintaining your RV gutters is essential for protecting your RV home? In this video, we're going to share some practical tips on how to keep your RV gutters clean and functioning optimally, especially for those of us living in one place, because proper gutter care prevents water damage, mold growth, and costly repairs. At its basic, it's ensuring that our RV remains a safe and comfortable place to live. Whether you're parked for a season or settling in for the long haul, these insights will help you maintain your RV's integrity, and it will enhance your living experience. So grab your cleaning supplies and join us as we dive into the world of RV gutter maintenance. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips on making your stationary RV life the best it can be. Let's get started. There are three main reasons it's important to clean your gutters. One is to prevent water damage. One of the primary functions of gutters is to direct that rainwater away from your RV. And if your gutters are clogged with leaves and debris, well, water can't flow freely, can it? This leads to the gutters overflowing. It causes water to pool around the base of your RV. And perhaps over time, this excess moisture can actually seep into the walls and the flooring of your RV, which leads to mold, rot, and significant structure damage. Number two is avoiding ice dams in the wintertime, because as temperatures drop, any debris that's left in your gutters can freeze, and that'll create an ice dam. These ice formations prevent water from draining properly, and that can lead to leaks inside your RV. When the snow melts, the water has nowhere to go, and potentially it can cause it to back up under the roof material. And this can lead to severe water damage and really costly repairs. So cleaning your gutters before winter not only prevents ice buildup and some of these dangerous icicles, but it also ensures that your RV is ready to handle the seasonal changes without complications. While you're on your roof, one of the things you really want to do is inspect your roof. First of all, you're looking for signs that water has been, or you've seen water spilling over the sides of your gutter during a rainfall, because this is a clear sign that they are clogged with debris. You're also looking for gutters that are sagging or pulling away from the RV, because that indicates they may be overloaded with debris or that they're improperly secured. Look for signs of rust or corrosion, especially if your gutters are made of metal, because rust can weaken the structure of the gutters, and this leads to leaks and further damage. If you see any rust, it's important to take action immediately to prevent any worsening conditions. You want to make sure that before you start, you have the necessary tools, and I'll link the ones that we use below. You need a sturdy ladder. Use a stable one that can reach your gutters safely. You also want to have some kind of scoop or trowel that you can use. There are plastic gutter scoops that are recommended that will keep it from scratching the gutters. We actually just used an ice scraper, and that seemed to work really good because it has such a small, narrow end. You'll want to wear gloves because that will protect your hands from sharp debris and any bacteria that might be growing up there. Safety goggles is a good idea, or sunglasses. That protects your eyes from debris that's flying around. You want a bucket or a tarp. In our case, we just used a plastic bag, and this is where you can collect the debris to minimize the mess as you're going. And a garden hose or something that you can use to flush out the downspouts and any excess debris once you're finished. You want to make sure you're safe at all costs, so you might consider using a partner, having someone assist you while you clean, especially if you're using a ladder. If you can't, ensure that it's stable and positioned on level ground. You want to start by using your hands or a gutter scoop to remove the leaves, the twigs, and other debris from the gutters. Be gentle to avoid damaging them in any way, especially if they're made of lighter materials, which are common in RVs. And don't forget to inspect for damage while cleaning. Check for any signs of cracks or loose sections, and then make sure that you address those issues immediately to prevent further problems. While cleaning out gutters, people often give their roof a good clean sweep as well. And this is another area that you can be really looking for any cracks, signs of rot, mold, or areas that might need a little bit more attention and to prepare for that winter sealant. You'll want to be mindful and cautious of any overhead power lines while you're cleaning your gutters and your roof. Look for damaged wires that might be hanging and avoid cleaning in any area that there may be safety concerns. You want to also avoid cleaning after a heavy rain. Wait until the gutters are dry before cleaning because wet debris can be heavier and more challenging to remove. We know that standing water can attract insects. Well, did you know it can do that in your gutters as well? Yep, standing water in clogged gutters can attract insects like mosquitoes and termites. So if you notice an increase in insect activity around your RV, it may be time to inspect your gutters for blockage and get them cleaned out. Once you have finished cleaning out the debris, you might consider taking a garden hose or a power hose on a low setting to flush out your gutters. We're actually having our RV cleaned the following day, so we're going to do that process tomorrow. Once you have completed your gutters, it is actually time to schedule your next cleaning. So do clean your gutters at least twice a year, ideally in the fall and in the spring. And if your RV is exposed to heavy foliage or if you live in a region with a lot of snowfall, consider more frequent inspections and cleanings. For RV owners living in a stationary situation, regular inspections of the RV exterior are essential to ensure its longevity and to maintain its conditions. So here's a guideline on how often to conduct these inspections. Monthly, you want to take a general walk around. Look at your RV at least once a month, and this helps you spot any visible issues such as rust or cracks or signs that water damage may have developed. Cleaning, so regularly wash your RV to remove that dirt and debris and any animal droppings that can harm the exterior paint and seals. This also allows you to check for any new damage or wear and tear that might not be otherwise visible. You want to do seasonal inspections, a thorough damage check. So every season, perform a more detailed inspection. Look for soft spots, bubbling paint, or cracks that could indicate deeper issues. This is also a good time to wax the exterior for UV protection. And every 6 months or so, you want to lubricate the high wear areas, such as the hinges and slide outs, to ensure they operate smoothly. Additionally, you might think about weekly check. Again, if your RV is in a stationary area for an extended period of time, consider doing quick checks weekly. This can help catch any minor issues like insect nest or debris accumulation before they become a bigger problem. And then obviously you want to do annual inspections. At least once a year, consider a comprehensive inspection, ideally performed by a professional. This can include checking around the roof, the seals, and any mechanical systems that may need attention. Lastly, you might consider purchasing gutter guards for your RV. Gutter guards can minimize that debris accumulation. Now, we don't have them. We are considering them, but if any of you have them, put your comments below and let us know whether they're worth even looking for. By following these best practices for cleaning your RV gutters, you can avoid damage and ensure that your gutters function effectively. Regular maintenance not only protects your RV from water damage, but also extends the lifespan of the gutter system, safeguarding your investment for years to come. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. And would you do me a big favor? If you like this video, would you like and subscribe? And if you like this video, I bet you'll like one of these. Take a look.